What is the area of the yellow region? Label A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Let angle A, D, C equals alpha. Angle B, G, D equals beta, and angle D, G, F equals gamma. Line B, C equals line C, D which is equals to 6. It is given by trigonometric identity C divided by C, D equals tan alpha. It implies that 7 divided by 3 which equals to tan alpha. Take the tan inverse of the equation. Alpha equals tan inverse of 7 divided by 3 which equals to 66.8 degrees. From triangle DEF, which is 45 degrees isosceles right triangle. Line F, E equals line D, E which equals to 4. Angles each equals 45 degrees. Thus, angle G, D, F equals to 68.2 degrees. It means that label point J and join line F, J. Thus, line F, J equals line C. It is because the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. From triangle B, F, J. B, J equals B, C minus C, J. Thus, F, J divided by B, J equals tan B which equals 10 divided by 2. B equals tan inverse of 5 which equal to 78.7 degrees. Signify that from quadrilateral B, G, D, C, the sum of 66.8 degrees, 90 degrees, 78.7 degrees, and beta equals to 360 degrees. It is because the sum of angles in quadrilateral equals to 360 degrees. Combine like terms, simplify, and we have that beta equals to 55.5 degrees. Thus, the sum of angle gamma and 55.5 degrees equals 180 degrees. Solving for gamma, we obtained that angle gamma equals to 124.5 degrees. Consider triangle DEF. By Pythagoras' theorem, the square of line F, D equals the sum of the square of line D, E and the square of line EF. It implies that the square of line F, D equals the product of 2 and the square of 4. Take the square root of the equation. It implies that line F, D equals the product of 4 and the square root of 2. Let find angle GFD. Thus, angle GFD equals to 56.3 degrees after substitution and simplification of values. From triangle DFG. Using sine rule, D, G divided by sine 56.3 degree equals D, F divided by sine 124.5 degrees. Substitute values and we have equation for line D, G in sine of angle. Cross multiply and solve for length of line D, G. It implies that line D, G equals 4 times the square root of 2 multiplied by sine 56.3 degrees, all divided by sine 124.5 degrees. We have that line D, G equals to 5.71058567799. Hence, area of the yellow region equals to the product of line D, G, line D, F and sine of 68.2 degrees all divided by 2, which equals to 14.996880268. After substitution of values and simplification, this result is approximately equals to 15.0 square units to 2 decimal places. Therefore, the area of the yellow region equals 15 square units if actual values of angles were used, without approximation.